A common man from a remote village in India whose wife would never come back to cure his thirst and hunger by bringing water and food from the other side of the mountain because she fell from one of these mountains and died. Just after this incident, what does the common man do? Let's hear the story of an uncommonly common man, Dashrath Manjhi. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Abhijit from North. Today I am standing in an important place, I would say. It's a memorial of Dashrath Manjhi. Dashrath Manjhi is also known as a mountain man. When his wife died, falling off from the same mountain, he could not reach the nearby hospital. So his wife died because of that. So he decided to make a path through the mountain so that people can reach to the nearby hospital in a shorter time. Dashrath Manjhi carved 110 meters of tunnel, 9.1 meter wide, in 22 years. Can you imagine? In 22 years, he was alone carving the mountain with a chisel and a hammer. Dashrath Manjhi was born in 1934 to a poor family of Galur village near Gaya in the eastern state of Bihar. At a young age, he ran away from his home and worked in coal mines in Dhanbad. Later, he returned back to his village Galur and married to Falguni Devi. When Falguni Devi fell off the mountain and got seriously injured, Dashrath Manjhi could not get immediate medical support for her because the nearby hospital was 70 kilometers away. Galur was a village with very limited resources, and the way to the nearby town Wazirganj was restricted by the mountain and had to take a longer route to reach the hospital. So Manjhi left his job, took a chisel, hammer and nails and started cutting the mountain to make a shorter road, working all day night so the villagers would not suffer to get timely medical treatment in future. This is the picture of the road he made. So Dashrath Manjhi shortened the distance from Yatri to Wazirganj from 55 kilometers to 15 kilometers in 22 years alone with a chisel and hammer. Dashrath Manjhi died in 2007 and his inspirational story will always be remembered.